It's a haul video. I'm going to be reviewing all these items one by one, and you know the drill. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video, it's a haul video. I'm going to be reviewing all these items one by one, and you know the drill. Guys, I know it's been a while, and I am back again with a haul video. If you have not watched my other haul videos from Kilimall and ALIEXPRESS, you better go and click this button right here or check the links down in the description box. I will be leaving all the videos of the hauls that I have been doing. And before you do that, let's jump right in to the video. So guys, I am going to be displaying the picture right here of what the item looks like online, and I'll be showing you what it looks like on me right here. So first things first, we have this white dress. It's very white, as you can see. It is like super duper white, like milky white. Very nice, very good. It is very pretty, and we are going to try this on and see how it looks on me. Disclaimer guys, before I show you how it looks on me, I will be leaving a link of all these items down in the description box, so that in case you're interested, you can go and click, and it will take you directly to these particular items that I'll be showing you in this video. So this is the first dress. It is very white, like screaming white, and this is what it looks like. I like the feel of it. It's nice. The material is soft. It's just perfect for the body. And then I also love it because of the hands. They have like a slit right here, just to help you open and, you know, make your wrist movable. And then as you can see right here, the neck is turtleneck, which is a good thing for us ladies who do not have the, you know, the boobies. So this helps cover up all that's going on. And down to the waist, oh my god, you guys, this dress is hugging, it is snatching. Then as you go on the sides, it has some ruffles from the waist, from where the upper part ends. It has ruffles on this side all the way down, and on the other side all the way down. It's just cute. Up here, I feel like anyone who, if you have boobies or not, if you're big on the chest area, if you're small, this dress is perfectly nice, and it's actually stretching, so it is actually good. And I took my dress in a small size, so note that. The length of the dress is just above the knee, slightly above the knee. When we turn to the back, baby, can you guys see? Can you guys see this? My small calves, yes. And yeah, it is so cute. I feel like this, I like the material, everything about this dress. It's so nice. It is long sleeve. Oh, my tall ladies, if you want to get this dress, please do, because the sleeves are very long, and it's going to suit us. It will suit us, and this is how I look in this dress. If you follow me on social media, you're going to see this dress. I took pictures for it on my birthday, and it was just nice. I liked every bit of it. So if you want to get this dress, please go get it. It is so beautiful and amazing, and I like that. Was dress number one. So dress number two. This is what dress number two looks like. First of all, this is what the model looks like in this dress, and then there is the dress when it comes in. Guys, can you see this? Can you guys actually see this? It's a really long dress, but it has this part over here that it has ruffles that you can actually cinch it in and make it look shorter. I got this dress because I liked what it looks like around the neck area, and I'm going to be showing you guys right here. When I got this dress, I was so worried because It is not see-through. First of all, it is not see-through. I was just worried because when I opened it, it looked like, oh my god, this is like twice my size or something. But let's put it on and see how it looks like on me. There is trouble here. There is trouble in paradise. Let me show you how this dress looks like right here. So this dress is orange. It looks so cute on the picture. I got this in a small size, and let me just tie this place up so that we don't say that the dress is not as good as it is. So this is what it looks like at the top. It is very beautiful. I like the design of the top part. That's why I actually got it, but there's just a lot of space right here, and it's not that flattering on my body. And then the arms, oh my god, can you see, guys? It's actually like halfway through my hand, and this is just not working for me. This dress has a lot of space. As you can see, there's just a lot of material left on the side of this dress. I really don't like that about it. From under the armpit, there's something going on, some ruffles going on all the way until the bottom. So basically this dress is way beyond my knees. It goes like down there, but this on the side can help you make it look a bit more shorter and all that. Just tied it, and this is what the model looks like on the picture. I don't know what you guys think about this dress, but I'm not feeling it at all. The material, amazing. The design, amazing. But the fitting, something is just wrong on this dress. Like, out of 10, I don't know where I'll give this one, but the first one I'll give it a straight 10, the white dress. But this one out of 10, just because it's not fitting right here, and the fitting around the waist area is small, and the arms and all that, I'm going to give this like a 6 because it's not that bad off because of those few mistakes. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Before we continue with this haul video, I'd like you guys to like this video already. If you like the outfit, please rate them out of 10 or 100, whatever you feel like. Rate them out. Leave a comment. Subscribe already if you're at this point of this video. So up next we have this. This is what this item looks like right here, and they're basically gym clothes. It came in a small size. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so good. This is amazing. This is the top. This is what the top looks like. I don't know if you can see, but this is the top. It is very pretty at the back side. This is basically like a yoga or gym. You would wear this when you're going for yoga classes or gym classes, because hey, your girl right here is doing yoga and you're not ready. This is what this item looks like on me. Let's put it on and see. Oh my goodness, you guys, oh, you are not ready for this one. I am gym ready, I am yoga ready, I am everything ready. You can't see this. The material is to die for. It's literally cotton. This is cotton. Trust me guys, it's cotton. It's not the heavy type, it's the light type of cotton. A 10. This is a 10. This is a 10 out of 10. What you think? Out of 10, guys, rate this. For me, it's a 10. It's actually like a 10, 10, 10. So guys, I also got it in white from the very same shop. I also got it in white, and I'm so excited because woo, your girl will be slaying. Okay. There's a problem here. Let me just compare this to the previous one. This is the white one, and I feel like it looks a bit big compared to the first one. We're just going to put them along. Oh my god, you guys, can you see this? All this fabric is like out there. This is so big. I feel like they did not. They rated it a small size. I don't understand. So this one goes all the way up to here, and then there's just some extra fabric. But we're just going to put it on and see how it looks on me, because I'm sure it's not going to fit me. And Kilimall, I am coming back for my refund. We are not joking up here. We are not. We need value for our money. So I am so disappointed. I am very and deeply disappointed. As you can see, something is just not right. I think they gave me a size medium because this is just too big. If I even do this, you're going to see my goodies, like, because this is not a size small. It's not. And then for the waist, as you can see, it's just not snatching like the white one. As you can see, even the top is really dancing on my waist, and my waist is like 24. And my god, what is this? What is this? Look guys, just look at this. What is happening? Oh my god, what is happening? I don't understand what is happening. You guys, can you see all this fabric? Like, it doesn't even flatter my body at all. It's just loose, and this look like pajamas, honestly speaking. I need my refund. Guys, I'm coming for my refund. I am coming for my refund. They are true to color. The material is amazing, but it's not fitting. And this fit one is not really a cloth item, but it counts. I got this waist, what do you call it? A corset, a waist trainer. This came in a small size. I chose this in a small size, as you can see. Yes, it is also a small size. I'm going to put a picture here how it looks like. It is really cute. I love it. So it comes with 2 extra flippers on this side. Oh, this is cute. And I'm just going to demonstrate that. I'll be doing it under this dress that I am wearing, and I don't know if you're going to see the difference, but you guys are the ones who are going to tell me if you'll see the difference or not. I'm going to advise you guys to get this. If the material feels okay, it's not like 100, I'll give it like a 90%. I'm not sure if this one absorbs sweat. We're just going to try it and see how it looks in it. You cannot breathe in this, guys. You cannot breathe in this. Just so tight on me. I'll try and put it under this dress so that you guys can see what it looks like. Guys, this is what I look like. I have the waist trainer underneath me. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell a difference of now and before, but that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't, if you reached this point of the video. I have also done hauls on other items that I have bought online. In case you are interested to watch, please check my channel and you'll see all the other videos, and I'll be linking all the items that I have shown you on this particular video down in the description box, and all the other videos that I have been doing hauls. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.